ako naman iba nagkakapag ka. Nakapag ka, di na nabayaan niya sa pagka. Kapag ako na, nagpakawala, baka ikaw ba ang paghanapin nila? Iyak ko manakit, manakit ang makulit. Ito sa bahay ko, ang loko magulo. Ang naabutin mo, palo, palo. Dito magtino, pasang walang takbo. Kung di mo to gusto, tumabi ka dyan. Tumabi ka dyan. Tumabi ka dyan. Kung di mo to gusto, tumabi ka dyan. Dun ka na dun, dun ka na dun, dun ka na dun.
We will hear the candidates as they introduce themselves and their advocacies. Ladies and gentlemen, starting off with Ginoo number 1.
Justin Rudias Bangkal from Barangay San Isidro.
Once again, I am Belgian Tanangonan representing the League Antipolo. Jobin Katabay, 25, representing Barangay Mambugan.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Alfred Natividad, and I'm proudly representing San Luis Antipolo.
Muli, ang inyong lingkod, Justin Labrador. A pleasant day, everyone. This is George M. Garcia III, 21, Barangay Mambugan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sean Ivan Olsen. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rueldi Hadormeo, Ergino Antipolo candidate number 9.
Andre Jules Morales, representing Barangay Inarawa. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Art Rabaso, 25, representing Tokyo Antipolo City.
Magsimula ka, tuparin ang pangarap mong tunay nang may ngiti sa inyong mga mata. I am a singer by profession. I'm Richard Vencioneras, 22, representing Barangay de la Paz!
John Ryan Nadaw, 19, representing Barangay de la Paz.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Noelito Lirio Rivera and I am 23 years old.
Muli, ako si Hirochilo ni Hashi Fernandez, handang maglingkod at magbigay ng inspirasyon sa Antipolenyo. Tayo na, Antipolo!
Tenor Gabriel Hort Israela, 22, Mayamot, Antipolo.
Good evening, everyone. This is Jan Philip Herbs, 24, representing San Roque.
And once again, I'm Dustin Adela Cruz, fighting to destigmatize mental health. Maraming salamat.
Ang at galing, palakpakan para kay Ginoo Antipolo number 1, Justin Bangkal. Antipolo number 2, Meljan Tanangonan. His love for soy sauce mixed with ketchup likes it a dipping sauce at any fried food. Others might say bleh, but for him, it's a part of a cuisine. Iparinig natin ang ating mainit na pagsalubong para kay Ginoong Antipolo number 2. Ginoon number 3, Joven Katabay from Barangay Mambugan. Joven would like to be known to others to be able to lead with kindness and determination. Uniqueness comes from his passion to grow, inspire, and use pageantry as a platform for meaningful impact. How about a big round of applause for Ginoo number 3, Joven Katabay.
What you want, more? Give it to me, baby, like what you want, more? Come on, boy, boy, can you get it?
Let's give it up for Ginoon number 4, Alfred Natividad. His talents include singing, acting, modeling. Alfred wants to be a successful person in the medical field. Small, but terrible. And I think that what makes me unique all the time. Let's cheer for Ginoon number 4, Alfred Natividad.
Touch me. I like the way you pull my lips. Maybe I don't feel like saying no more. I like how you tell me this and that. I like how you tell me over there. So get it up. Tell me get it up. You say you horrible boy. Show me what you got.
Ginoon number 6, Justin Labrador. Despite of restriction on religion and challenges, he joins pageantry. He is still want to give full effort to know more about himself because he believes that establishing essential passion allows him to be known and recognized more easily by others. Raise the roof with your applause for Ginoon number 4, for Ginoon number 6. Once again, let's give a round for applause for Ginoon number 6, Justin Labrador.
Ginoon number 7, George Moster Garcia III. An entrepreneur, loves to sing and dance, to write rap songs, to play basketball, to feed stray dogs, to encourage young generation to do whatever they want with passion and courage, even if the size is not about body, if it's big or small. How about a big round of applause for Ginoon number 7, George Moster Garcia III.
Ginoon number 8, Sean Ivan Olsen. 5 years from now, he sees himself as a seasoned international model. Leveraging my degree in tourism to work as a global brand ambassador. His goal is to be a bridge between high-end fashion and world-class travel, using education to navigate diverse cultures and professional environments with ease. He doesn't just want to be a face on a campaign. He wants to be a professional who understands the business of global hospitality and how to represent luxury brands on a world stage. Isang iginagalang na palakpakan para kay Ginoong number 8, Sean Ivan Olsen. Isang malakas na palakpakan para kay Ginoong number 10, Andre Jules Morales, playing basketball and workout. He sees himself 5 years from now as a good leader in Antipolo. He likes being who he is and not depending on others, just to himself. And that's what makes him unique. Give it up for Ginoon number 10, Andre Jules Morales.
Ginoo number 11, Raymar Trapacio. Reading books, walking, travel locally. I am a survivor of Super Typhoon Yolanda back in 2013 in Leyte. Advocate of tourism and cultural preservation. Feel the heartbeat of the crowd for Ginoo number 11, Raymar Trapacio.
Para kay Ginoo number 12, Richard Benz Lanara. He is an artist and a breadwinner. These make him unique because he used his talent to earn an income for his family and supporting his brother for his education. By doing that, he was able to give inspiration to young people that you can make a living from your talent. That's inspiring Ginoo number 12, Richard Benz Nalales.
Number 13, John Ryan Nadal.
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you get it on ya. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Get it up, put it up, put it up. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you get me higher. Tonight get up, can get it higher, can get it higher.
Ginoo number 14, Noelito Rivera. He sees himself as someone who achieved many things that he wanted in life. Someone who helped a lot of people and touched their hearts. Because the main goal of my life is to inspire many people to help them to continue pursuing their dreams. Celebrate brilliance with your applause for Ginoo number 14, Noelito Rivera.
Tonight I'ma give it to you harder. Tonight I'ma tell your body out. Girl, last time I do how I want it. You got it, I need it, and I'ma put it down. With the love, I'ma give it to you stronger. Hell, we can go a little longer. Tonight I'ma get a little crazy, baby. Like a boy, what you want? Give it to me, baby, like what you want?
Hirochila Nihashi Fernandez. He is half Japanese and half Filipino.
Come on, boy. Can you get it up?
He enjoys playing basketball, watching TV, and going to the gym. He wants to inspire people in excelling in what you truly are. Once again, let's give a round of applause for Ginoo 15, Hirochila Nihashi Fernandez.
I like the way you touch me.
Ginoo number 16, Jenard Hoterizuela. A graduate of Masteral Electrical Engineering, advocating for HIV awareness. A business owner and loves joining pageantry. How about a bigger round of applause for Ginoo number 16, Jenard Hoterizuela.
Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, boy.
Ginoo number 17, John Philip Forbes. He is a low-key person. He loves reading current events, especially those issues being flexed on social media. He wants to be a successful and famous business owner someday. Echo your admiration for Ginoon number 17, John Philip Forbes.
Isang malakas na palakpakan para kay Ginoon number 18, Dustin L. De La Cruz. He always told people that he is a shy type person, and he think growing up like this made him unique too, as it is something that he always battled with to overcome. That kind of personality. He really do show that despite of that trait, he learned to become resilient, even at his lowest, to show up even with a lot of doubts, and to do it even alone. Mga Ginoo at Ginang, bigyan natin ng marangal na palakpakan si Ginoon number 18, Dustin L. De La Cruz.
Tonight I'ma give it to you harder. Tonight I'ma tell your body out. Relax, let me do how I want it. You got it, I need it, and I'ma put it down. Fuck the love, I'ma give it to you stronger. Head up, we can go a little longer. Tonight I'ma get a little crazy, baby. Like a boy, what you want? Give it to me, baby, like what up?
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a warm of applause.
There you have it, Ate Win, our Ginoo, in their spectacular swimwear.
Aren't they hot, kagawa?
Sobra.
Grabe, nag-uumpisa na talaga yung heat ng summer.
Indeed, super hit talaga ngayon. Talagang naglalangis ka na, Ate Win.
Naglalangis ba?
Ayan. Ikaw, Ate Win, pag ikaw ang judge, sa tingin mo, ano bang hinahanap mo sa isang mananalo ng Best in Swimwear?
Of course, the physique, the total physical appearance, no? Yung pagiging, healthy, 12 and 17.
Congratulations to our special award winners. You may now change for your next segment. Thank you, Ginoo. And may we call on our co-host, Ate Win?
Once again, Ginoon number 1, Justin Bangkal.
Tanangonan. Alfred Natividad. Natividad.
Number 7, George Garcia III.
Simula ang lahat sa isang kanta. Bakit ngayon ka lang? Ipaglalaban ko. Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat.
Once again.
Ngunit nakayanan ko pagkat walang hanggan ang pag-ibig niya.
Bago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata.
On number 11, Art Rabasio.
Ikaw pa rin pupuntahan. At kung ano man ang nararamdaman,
Bench Linares.
kailan pa man. At kahit madalas na tayong di magkasunduan, kaso ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Mahal, ikaw ang uuwian.
Once again, Ginoon number 12, Richard Benz
Baguhin man
Laneras.
ng libo-libong buwan,
Ginoon.
ko hindi kita iiwan. Pangako yan. At kahit madalas na tayong di magkasunduan, ikaw pa rin ang
Once again,
uuwian. Ikaw ang
Ginoon number 14, Noelito Rivera.
At kung umabot man sa dulo at tatanda na tayo, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. At kahit na maghirap tayo, di na
Once again, Ginoon number 14,
50, Hiroshino Fernandez.
ikaw pa rin. Ikaw lang ang uuwian.
Venezuela.
Punong-puno ng imahinasyon kasama ka. Isang himala na lang kung mapapasakin ka. Na ako bumaling sa'yo, yeah, sa'yo. Natutulala na lang sa'yo, napapabagal mo aking mundo. Nasisilayan ko na ang kinabukasan ko sa'yo. Imahinasyon pa rin ba to?
Once again, Ginoo 70.
Dustin L. De La Cruz.
Ako ay nahuhumaling sa'yo. Paulit-ulit kang tumatakbo sa isipan. Paulit-ulit na lang pinapanalangin ka. Maaari bang ikaw
Gusto ko lang sana malaman mo na ang damdamin ko'y litong-lito. Nagtatanong kung lalapitan siya dahil ang puso ko ay nadala niya.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our handsome Ginoo ng Antipolo 2026 in their Daniel de la Vega creation.
Kahit ako'y nagmumukhang tanga ay ayos lang, basta kapiling siya. Kahit sabihin pa ng iba.
Grabe ang ganda, Ate Win, ang creation ni Daniel, Mr. Daniel de la Vega. I love it. How do you like the color?
Of course, they are very much of bachelors. Grabe. Change outfit rin talaga tayo, no?
Oo naman, because this is Ginoong Antipolo 2026! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We're half through to our pageant. And now we will be trimming down them into ilan, Tony? Ilan na lang makititira sa kanila?
Top 12.
Top 12. But it's only top 10.
For our next Ginoo, who will be part of the top 12? Sa tingin niyo, sino?
It's you, number 14!
Noelito Rivera!
Ginoo, number 16.
Jenard Gabriel Ortizuela! Justin Labrador!
We are halfway through! The next patella?
The next person, number 15, Hirochila Fernandez.
Ginoo, number 4.
Alfred Natividad.
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain.
The semi-finalist is Marco number 17!
John Philip Forbes.
Only 4 remain. Who will be next in the top 12? Ginoon number 11, Art Labasio.
Number 13!
Justin De La Cruz.
Number 13 is John Ryan na daw.
Other than Ginoo, 18, Justin De La Cruz.
Justin! Akala ko Justin. Kaya ang taas ng kilay ni Joanna.
Bukian.
Number!
It's you, Ginoon number.
Sino kaya? Sino?
It's you, Ginoon number 12, Richard Mencheta. Congratulations to our top 12.
And of course, congratulations to our contenders na hindi pumasok sa top 12.
Yes, so Antipolo, this is your Ginoong Antipolo 2026 semi-finalist. Now, diretso na po tayo sa question and answer with Miss Ella and Miss Tony!
Thank you very much, gentlemen.
And Kuya, before we start with your Q&A, how are you feeling?
Kinakabahan.
Don't be.
Last one to call. So, overwhelmed din. I'm so grateful na nandito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon.
Yes. So always remember that God put you through this path for a reason.
Thank you.
So, question. Are you ready?
Yeah.
In today's digital age, many people share their lives online. What do you think about those who choose never to post pictures on social media?
Well, as you know, I always respected those people who never to choose anything on social media. I believe not everything needs to be shared to be valued. Sometimes, choosing privacy doesn't mean you have nothing to share. Well, it means you know what truly matters. Well, in a world where everyone seeks validation, it is not our obligation to inform everyone on how do we live our life. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ginoo 12, Richard Benmanare.
Hindi daw dapat they envy them. How should we respond to those who hate us for who we are? Sa Tagalog, may nagsasabi na ang tao ay ayaw sa iba dahil naiinggit sila. Paano natin dapat tugunan ang mga taong galit sa atin dahil kung sino tayo?
I believe being a true Ginoo is not about proving your worth to others, but about quietly building a character rooted in integrity, discipline and compassion while staying grounded in who you are and what you stand for. In a world full of noise and challenges, I choose to lead by example. Taking actions with care, treating others with respect, and use my voice to inspire others because I believe true strength is not just seen in success, but about how you uplift others along the way. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Ryan. So,
Our question is, they say your mindset can either be your prison or your power. Which mindset shift has impacted you the most and why?
You know what, as a shy person, that to have someone who is not really into this kind of thing, to have someone as stage fright. The thing that I always keep telling to myself to step out of my comfort zone, because the moment that I do that for myself, I realize a lot of things, that even though I fail sometimes, I do always believe that God has a better plan more than myself. And if that thing is really meant for me, that thing will always find its way. The universe will definitely find its way to once again to realign my stars, and that is all. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much.
As of this present time, if you could pick a moment, a memory, and wish not to end, and why?
Right, so if there's one thing that I could pick and a moment, that's the time we were hit by Super Typhoon Yolanda in 2013. So back then, we were not really prepared what's really going on. So that time, I really wanted to go back and really prepare, because our place was really devastated, and that is something that I really wanted to work on, because a lot of lives was really taken away from their families. Everything that we had was really gone. And that time, I just wanted to take that moment to make sure that I'm really prepared what's really going to happen. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Calamities can be very devastating.
Confidence is often seen as a mindset, but some say it's built through action. How do you believe true confidence is earned?
Maraming salamat sa napakagandang tanong. Para sa akin, ang pagkakaroon ng kumpiyansa sa sarili ay dapat may tiwala ka sa sarili mo. At dapat wag mong dinggin kung ano ang dapat sinasabi ng ibang tao sa'yo. Kasi minsan, kung ano ang sinasabi ng tao sa'yo, nakakapekto sa atin yun eh. Hindi lang sa ating totality, pero sa buong pagkatao natin. Minsan, iniisip natin kung ano ang sasabihin ng ibang tao sa atin, kaya naapektuhan natin kung paano tayo makitungo sa ibang tao, at doon nababawasan ang ating confidence. Pero para sa akin, magkaroon ka lang ng tapat na power para sa sarili mo, maniwala ka. Dahil wala naman ibang tutulong sa'yo, kundi yung sarili mo lamang. Maraming salamat po.
That was a very wonderful answer, Katrina on number 17.
Maraming salamat.
Ideas and creativity. Whether through social media, digital platforms, or community movements, what were the things you had to unlearn when you became an adult?
Thank you for that question. I think the thing that we should unlearn is how we treat other people, especially if we don't like other people. We need to treasure every individual, despite of their background, appearance, or circumstances. They should given the same chance to grow, succeed, and to learn. And if I will be given a chance to be your next Ginoong Antipolo 2026, what thing that I could promote is education, because we need to be knowledgeable enough about those things, most especially in posting in social media. As a student in the medical field, I always dedicate myself into the pursuit of knowledge and the betterment of humanity. For those who don't know, I'm still pursuing my second degree in college. But despite of my circumstances, I still pursue education and hope to inspire people. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Gineo. They say the best revenge is success. What do you believe is the best revenge?
Success can be a powerful form of revenge, but only if it's genuinely for you. If your success is still mentally tied to proving something to someone else, then there's still an option to prove yourself. Indifference, growth, and peace is very important. A lot of people chase peaceful wins thinking it will settle the score. But the moment you stop needing acknowledgement, comparison, or closure from the other person, that's when you've actually won. The best revenge is becoming someone who no longer needs revenge at all. Remember this, my beloved Antipoleños. No revenge is the best revenge. I believe in karma. It's the best judgment. Good evening.
Thank you so much. No pain, no gain suggests that growth must always be difficult. Do you believe true progress requires suffering?
Bilang isang Ginoo, naniniwala ako na ang success ay nakukuha sa mga suliranin na ating na-experience. Kaya naniniwala po ako na kung pinagtatrabahuhan talaga natin ang isang bagay, ay atin ito makakamit. Ang mga problema na darating sa ating buhay, ito ang magpapatibay sa atin upang nang makuha natin ang success na ating kinakamit, ay nararapat tayo doon. Ayun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Ginoo. As we grow older, we learn that boundaries are essential. Which boundary has been the hardest for you to embrace, and how has it shaped the person you are today?
Well, as I finish electrical engineering, well, it's hard, yes. Especially when you're away from your family. And that is the greatest boundary I felt. And now look at me. I graduated with flying colors. And I believe that there's no boundaries when you achieve your goals. You only need the trust to yourself and you will finish everything. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much! Tagalog, kung maaari mong ilarawan ang iyong sarili sa isang salita lamang, ano ito? At paano ipinapakita ng salitang iyon ang uri ng Ginoo na nais mong maging?
That word will be resilient because before experience a lot of painful moments and loss. But I want to be a living testament for all that even we will fall, even we fail, there's still chance of hope. So I want to inspire people to take the chances that they wanted to take because the only thing limiting our growth is ourselves. So I want us to take that step to chase that dream and to make it happen. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much, Ginoo. Number 4.
Many people dream big but hesitate to begin. Why is starting the process the most important step towards success?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Success is when you achieve your dreams. But hesitate kills your dreams. So if you hesitate, never do hesitate, because I believe that if we are hesitate or doubting ourselves, we are not just killing our dreams, but we are losing our dreams. So I believe that if we want to be successful, we must always believe in ourselves and trust the process. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Success begins with self-respect. In your journey, how do you practice respecting yourself?
Success begins with self-respect. In my journey, how do I practice respecting myself? For me, I practice respecting myself to catch up our core values. Our core values is pagiging makatao, makadiyos, makakalikasan, at makabayan. And I standing here as a Ginoong Antipolo, not just as a pageant, but Ginoong Antipolo who serve my community in here in Antipolo. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ginoo, number 10.
The first spot belongs to Ginoo number 13. You are part of our top 5. Ginoo number 17. We are halfway through, and this year's winners will not be complete kung wala ka, Ginoo number
Nako! 18! Having fun!
And taking our fourth spot. And that spot belongs to Ginoo number 12.
Huwag kang malulungkot because you are still on the running to be this year's Ginoong Antipolo. The last spot belongs to Ginoo number 15! Thank you so much to the rest of the Ginoos.
Antipolo, our Ginoong Antipolo 2026 Final 5. As of this juncture, Kagawad, we are going to go directly on our final question and answer.
Please arrange yourself in order which begins with Ginoo number 12. Number 12, number 13, 15, 17,
17 and 18. Kindly arrange yourselves. Ayan, 18 ang
Ginoo
pinakamuli.
number 12, please.
Ayan. Please, to Kagawad Christine.
Climate change is no longer a distant warning. It is our present reality. With rising seas swallowing our islands, floods destroying communities, extreme weather testing our resilience, and global leaders divided on urgent action, how can a Ginoo inspire both his community and the world to confront this crisis with courage, unity, and compassion? Do you want to read it once?
Okay na po.
Wow, do it.
Well, I will lead by example. As a Ginoo, I will be a law-abiding citizen. I am someone who protects the environment. I am someone who cares for his community to ensure also the futures of Antipolo. And someone who is God-fearing. I believe a true leadership is about doing what is right every single day. And I hope with this title, I will be able to inspire more people to do the same. So together, we can build a community we can all be proud of. And I know if we people should solve this kind of problem, we are infinite, boundless, and that's no endings. Thank you.
Oh, what a powerful answer.
Thank you very much. Question twice, okay? In the political scene, leaders have taken to social media, a tool with the power to connect, but also to divide. In an age where misinformation fuels conflict, where economies are shaken by digital influence, and where democracy itself is tested online, do you believe social media has strengthened our values as a society, or has it weakened them, and why?
In the end, social media reflects who we are as a people when we choose truth over noise, respect over division, and responsibility over convenience. In times where conflict and uncertainty is strength, is not just about power, it is the ability to stay grounded despite pressure. And as I stand here before you tonight as a Ginoong Antipolo, I'm carrying more than just a name. I carry the pulse and the aspiration of our city. This journey wasn't about the weight of the crown, it is about the weight of responsibility. I am a firm believer that we are not defined by our perfection, but by our willingness to be molded by our experiences. I stand here as a testament for every young dreamer who has ever felt small, proving that with the heart ready to listen and the spirit willing to learn, we can bridge the gap between where we are right now and where we are meant to be. Because I do not seek to stand above you, I seek to stand beside you, to be the pedestal of hope that lifts our community higher, to be the hand that reaches out when you feel unseen. Because my purpose is simple, to transform this platform into a legacy of compassion. Thank you.
Whoa! What a powerful ending! Ay, gusto niya sa'yo!
Talaga.
Ikaw ang napili niya!
Okay, contender 15. Here, do you want me to read it in English or in Filipino?
English.
English. Advantage nga naman din talaga kapag English, okay? So I'm going to read this twice, no time limit. This is your final question. With an ongoing war in the Middle East shaking global stability and economic challenges, testing the resilience of nations, how can a Ginoo embody both strength and compassion to not only survive, but to lead his people through these turbulent times?
To lead in turbulent times, a Ginoo must redefine strength. It is no longer about dominance and authority, but it's about stability, clarity, and moral courage in the face of fear. Strength starts with grounded decision making. Compassion lets the leader to see people not as numbers, but as a human lives. He acknowledges suffering openly, and he protects his people while empowering them. And he speak with authority, but listen with humility. A Ginoo guides toward resilience and hope. Proving strength is not the absence of compassion, but the ability to carry it when it is hardest to do so. Thank you.
I
That
love
was a real
it!
Ginoo.
Which one do you like? Tagalog or English?
Pwedeng bot.
Both. Okay, so una, Tagalog muna, then pangalawa, English ka, okay? Here is your question. Sa mundong kung saan ang teknolohiya ay umuunlad ng mas mabilis kaysa sa karunungan at ang klima ay nagbabago ng mas mabilis kaysa sa habag, anong isang hakbang ang maaaring isabuhay ng isang Ginoo ngayon upang matiyak ang bukas ng Antipolenyo? In English, in a world where technology advances faster than wisdom and climate shifts faster than compassion, what single act of a Ginoo embodied today to ensure Antipolo's tomorrow?
Okay, thank you so much for that question, and it's very tricky. For me, it is undeniable that we are in a technological innovation, and I think that is in relation between technology and climate, right? So, para sa akin po, kailangan natin gamitin ng gusto ang teknolohiya para hindi po maapektuhan ang ating klima. Kasi alam naman po natin na kapag ginamit natin o inabuso natin ang technology, let me just cite an example. Like for example, pollution is everywhere. Like for example, yung too much paggamit ng gasolina po, nagkakaroon yan ng usok, which is naapektuhan ng ating climate, which is really affect also yung mga tao. So para sa akin, dapat ang mga tao ngayon dito sa Antipolo at maging responsable dapat tayo sa bawat ating ginagawa at pagkilos. Dahil naniniwala po ako na hindi lang naman dapat teknolohiya ang ating isaalang-alang, kundi yung buhay din ng ibang tao, lalong-lalo na dito po sa Antipolo. Maraming salamat po.
Very well said.
Thank you very much. Ginoo 17. And here is your final question. The Philippines has a great obsession with beauty pageants. In an era of wars, economic struggles, and social change, What do you think is the true relevance of this pageant today?
I do believe that pageants should use to uplift and to put incredible resources for everyone, for them to be aware for what's really going on in our country, to have a positive impact in our world. And I do believe that we Filipino are bleeding of resilience. And I do believe that we really right now is a true deserving life that we should have right now, and to have a better future for all of us. And I do see that having all of these things, we can really see that we have a positive community and all, because that we truly deserve as a Filipino and community. Thank you.
What a way to end our question and answer round.
Thank you so much.
There you have it.
Ginoo number 13. Let's welcome Ginoo number 15. Let's welcome Ginoo number 17. And completing our magic 5 is Ginoo number 18. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 5. So kung may top 5, mayroong top 4.
Yes,
Diba?
yung
Sa
top
ating
4 ng Miss
host.
Earth.
And completing the top 5 for the host is... Apat lang talaga.
By the way, thank you very much to these two ladies, no? Na talaga,
Totoo naman.
In fairness, lumaban din talaga sila ng,
Yes.
ng energy. At saka, I would like to commend them for being articulate and eloquent. Apart from being beautiful inside
Totoo
out.
naman.
Runner-up, we have... Who do you think it is, Antipoleños? Sino kaya ang fourth runner-up? Any guesses? Okay, for our fourth runner-up. Fourth runner-up is Ginoo number 17, John Philip Forbes. Congrats to Ginoo number 17. You may receive your sash and crown.
Congratulations, Miss Tony, to the honors in announcing our third runner-up.
Antipolo, the time has come for our third runner-up. Our third runner-up is none other than Ginoo number 18, Dustin De La Cruz. Congrats to Ginoo number 18. Congratulations, Ginoo. Receive your crown and sash.
He will be awarded by the gorgeous Shane Pareño of the Trans-Pinay Antipolo Organization, the runner-up. Once again, Kagawad, he will receive a crown, sash, and cash worth
5,000 pesos.
which will be awarded by
Our reigning second runner-up, Christian Buenaventura. Ang pogi ni Christian, ang ganda pa ng boses niya.
Antipoleños. Our second runner-up is Ginoo number 15, Little Chilo Fernandez.
Congrats, Ginoo number 15. Once again, you will be receiving congratulations, crown and worth of 5,000 pesos.
Congratulations.
Number 12 now. 12 na yan.
Thank you so much. And congratulations.
Once again, congratulations to our Ginoo 15. He is our second runner-up.
Two men standing before us.
Please step forward.
Please step forward, gentlemen. So we have remaining, no?
The number that I'll be calling is this year's Ginoong Antipolo 2026 Grand Winner. Which means that the number that I haven't called is our first runner-up. Maliwanag po, ang una po nating babanggitin ang siyang nanalo ngayong gabi.
The grand winner.
This year's Ginoong Antipolo 2026 is you, Ginoong Antipolo number!
Ginoo Antipolo number!
Sabay-sabay tayo, girls, ha? Number
13! John Ryan Nata! First runner-up is Ginoo number 12, Richard Bench Linares!
Congratulations!
Joven Morong. Una muna natin award ng first runner-up. And of course, Edward Pante.
He will be awarded by Mr. Edward Pante.
He will receive sash, crown, and
Cash worth
10,000
pesos. Congratulations, Sir Ginoo number 12, our 2026 Ginoong Antipolo first runner-up.
And of course, for our winner, we will be awarded by our reigning king, no other than Mr. Justin, and of course our chairman of the board, the one and the only Mother Meg. Love you, nice to see you, Mother.
Congrats to Ginoong number 13, John Ryan Nata!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our winners for tonight.
Thank you so much to our beloved sponsors, our organizers, ENJ Talents and Production. Especially to those people who watch and supported our candidates. Once again, I am Angela Luis G. Santos. I am Tony Marie Montilla.
And I'm Win Powell.
And I am Kagawad Christine Bardolasa. See you all on Ginoong Antipolo 2027!
Congratulations, winners! That's all for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Antipoleños, good night!
Tonight, ikaw ang reyna ng saya.
Thank you all our organizers, candidates for our
siya. Para oo.
Pagpasok mo